Hello students, today we start our lesson number 2, the town child. As you see here the picture, a boy is standing here and he is looking very sad. Why he was looking very sad? We find that the answer of that question in the poem. So let me start our poem. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. Now, this poem is written by Iron Thompson. So, as we read the poem, we find that he is a town child. He lives in a town, in a street. But its street is very crowded with traffic. There are lots of buses and motors and trams. But he wanted to live in a meadows. Meadows means a field which is covered with grass near lambs. Here you see the pictures. He wanted to live in a meadows where he find all that things. But his house is in row and everywhere when he go everywhere there is only smoke. Now he don't like the noises. What he hear, the noises which he hear, he don't like it. But he wanted to live near woods, which are very near to him. And the only one thing that he loves, that is the sky. He wanted to live in the sky because the sky is very large and free. There are plenty of rooms. Plenty of rooms means a large number of clouds there. He wanted to live in that castle. Okay, I hope you understood the poem. Now, here you go. There is a summary of that poem which I told you. The town child is unhappy about his life in the town. He does not like its crowded streets, its noise and smoke. He wishes he lived in the country near woods and meadows and lambs. The sky is the only beautiful thing he can see in the town. The sky is large and free. Would he like to escape into the sky? Yes, he would. He would like to live in the sky. So students, there are one more thing that you know, that there are lots of rhyming words in this poem, like street, feet, trams, lambs, row, go, here, near, love, above, blue and two. So your homework is to write the poem in your fair notebook with its drawing, and you have to learn the poem, and in our next video I explain you the question and answer of that lesson. Okay, thank you.